Hi guys, this is Bhaskar Berry. In the last video we have seen how to install R in your system and as well as R Studio. So these are the videos which you have used for installing the R as well as R Studio. R Studio is nothing but a graphical user interface for R. So it's better. So it is important to install R, and top of that only this R Studio works. Okay. So I prefer video. I'm going to start with R environment and give you a basic idea of how it is going to work, give you a familiarize with the R Studio environment. So this is a console window, and this is the environment or history which are the commands you're going to run, and these are the packages which you're going to install or update, and it provides you various windows here, so it will be helpful for you. So uh, rather than writing just commands in the console window, we can write a script file so that it can save for the later point of time. So there is one more thing called source file, which I have created a file called day1 with R by clicking on this. Okay, let me give you basic examples of running. Before that, there is a Control L shortcut key for clearing the console window, and to run any command we have the run here, as well as we can run Control plus Enter for the Windows environment. For the Mac versions it's a different version. It's Command Enter for the Mac versions. Okay. Okay, let me and for commenting anything, there is a hashtag here, hash here, to just comment thing here, commenting tag. Okay, let me start with a basic digits, like mathematical operation, saying that adding of two numbers just adds two numbers. Okay, so to run this command, what you do, you can just place the cursor there and just enter, control enter, or you can even run this run command. So it gives you a 4 here. This is the indexes of the line. So what happens if we have more lines here? So let us print some sequentials. So assuming like that, want to say we need somewhere around 100. Okay, so just control enter to run the command. So you can see here we have the indices of the first number of the line, 1, 24, 47 and 1793. So this is how the can print this. So similarly, whenever you are learning any new programming languages, we generally prefer hello world program. So let me print simple statement here, print. Okay, you can even select and run if you want to run only the specific thing. So you can see here. So this is how the print statement works in the console. So now let's see the variables, how we can declare a variables, and how we can use them. So here variables. So how we are going to assign any variables? So give any name, less than and minus is the sign which you just assign to that. So assign any variable saying that like 1 to 5. Just what happens is it puts values from 1 to 5 in this variable x. So let me run this. So to see the values to be displayed, that we can use just x and just then control enter. So you can see the values present in this variable, and even the way in the environment console you can see here the value x, and even the values. I think you can already seen here, these are the list we have. It works well with the variables. So suppose even if we have saying that assign other not sequential numbers, saying that if you want to assign some other like next digits, so you can even enter. What does this line and 15 does is it puts assigns a variable from 6 to 10, and moreover this is also called as uh, collections or concatenates the values into these variables x y. You can see these two variables are there here, x and y, as we assign to them. And even you can see the, just select this and just run it, so that to display the list what is it's present in y. So apart from that, you can even add these oh, two vectors, or saying that it adds the consecutive elements in these two variables if we going to do that. So let me show you that. uh, let express why I'm doing. So adds the corresponding elements in x as well as to the y and y. Okay, let me run. So I have run this, so it says that 7 9 11 13 15. So what it has done is it has added 6 to 1, 7 7 to 2, 9, rather the corresponding elements it has added to this, so that we got this result here. Okay, so why I'm typing here is so that you can save these commands later point. So if you just control plus s, you can save this script file, script in one in a physical. And apart from that, you can even multiply the elements for the only for each array. Say that I have the x vector and multiply by that too. So control enter to run this. So you get that it has multiplied all the list of values with the 2 4 6 8 10. So this is how you numbers which you can operate on them by multiplying this. Going through further packages or programs, how do you install the other packages and work on them. So I'll be explaining the more further in details. So as of now, I just wanted to show you the how you can use this R Studio. And one more thing before closing this video, I just want to make sure that you install R. On top of that, you should install R Studio. Okay, so please refer these videos for installing R and R Studio. So you can see here this Google R style, and it takes very few minutes to just go through the styles how you write this R language. And basically R is a conceptually a simple language, and it's conceptual the simple programs you can write on them. Okay, in the next video I'm going to explain in details how you are going to read the data from a CSV or Excel, and how to load it into this R. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel.